Oh boys, we got a Porsche, nice Porsche, going to the Social Sundays meet right now, but we're stuck in traffic at the moment, but I'm sure I'm gonna see him there. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Glad y'all are tuning into the Rogue Bit here, and we're at Eilan Spa here at La Cantera, and we're here for another Social Sundays car show with all the exotics and whatnot. So hopefully y'all like the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Again, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok, and just stay tuned for other stuff that I post on there. And hopefully it's a good one today, guys. It's kind of cloudy right now, but as you can see, I brought my long sleeves and all my other stuff so I can try to protect myself from the sun. Yeah guys, again, I appreciate y'all for always sticking in and staying tuned, but as you can see in the background, that's where we're headed over there. I'm gonna try not to make the video super long, just so it doesn't run over time, but we'll see. I got here a little early, so I'm curious to see how they're kind of preparing all the cars and stuff, but we'll walk up there in a sec. But as you can see right here, we'll be heading up there. Oh guys, so we got a couple already who have shown up, as you can see. And then the Porsche GT3 right there, the one that I just showed. Pretty nice Porsche right here, GT4 RS. Always comes out to these. Very nice, very nice. You got a really sick McLaren. Almost like it's like a navy blue. Like the orange caliper, 600 LT. That's pretty sick too. We'll just get a quick shot of the interior. Got another Lambo. Very nice. Very nice. Let me get just a quick interior shot. We got some more cars coming in. Insane. Insane. That is wild. Nice R8 coming through. And they're coming through, guys. I'm gonna start walking this way so I can kind of get them as they're rolling in. But Ferrari, nice Lexus. I think those are the RCF, right? Or LC500, my bad, my bad. GT3 RS, I think that's Ivan's boy. I think, if I'm not mistaken. He just got it. There's our next our boy, Ivan. Holy mother of God. What is that? That is sick. That is wild, y'all. That is wild. Holy smokes, look at the back. That is crazy, yo. Wow, that's probably one of my favorite cars here. Other than the Ferrari Monza. Got a nice Aston Martin. James Bond. Got James Bond coming up in here. Nice Porsche, another one. Spider. The Spider. Oh boy, you got the classic Mustang. I love that. Got the deep dish bullet wheels. Got a Z06 C7. I always like them. Can't wait to get mine. be torch red, torque red. Got another Porsche coming through. The lineup continues. You know, they got a really nice lifted and tricked out F-250 right over there. You got the Raptor, another nice Mercedes, and then the you got another McLaren and a Huracan, I think, Lambo right there. Looks really good. I like the yellow. I didn't even see this one. This one was hiding in the corner. GTR, nice one. Like the orange on that Huracan. If we pan, we got a whole lot more coming down. It's a nice Jaguar SVR, what it looks like on the front there. Another Aston Martin. That one looks crazy. That looks nice. Real nice. We'll get the back end of the Jaguar F-Type. That Lambo again. And that Aston Martin. Classic Porsche. Another Ferrari. And then you got our guy here was in the last video of the LSC meets at Tables and Taps. Freaking sick, man. Nice, nice, nice. Another Lambo. Another McLaren. Got a nice Audi R8 coming through. I think I'm about to back into this little tent spot, V10. Got another Lambo.
I see you, baby.
Got a nice GTR coming in. Another one. I think that's about 3 or 4 I've seen so far. So it looks like I have found the street cars. Corvettes, Supras, Ford Focus, STs, Mustangs, Tesla, more Toyotas, Audis, you know, all the cool street cars that are out here. Our boy Ray. Another G-Wagon coming through. A lot of Mercedes. This is the Mercedes class coming through. Z01, I think it's nice. You got a nice SS right behind it. Holden. Mustang. Man, that Mustang got fat tire everywhere. Ready for Mexico. Check it out, guys. Looks like mine when I had it back. Literally looks like mine. That is wild. All the arrows pretty much the same color, rims. That's wild. Brings back memories for sure. Brings back memories. Pretty cool shot. You can see all the street cars over here. I'm gonna pan. Maserati. Got another Holden SS. Holy smokes! Look at all the. Look at the stack up. This traffic jam over here. Another SS right over there. Classic GTR. Like you see another Corvette C5 behind it. More GTRs, Corvettes, Cadillacs. Man, look at that. That's crazy, yo, crazy. I'm just gonna walk through here like it's nobody's business. Just trying to get the shots. Man, this video is going longer than I thought. I still gotta get the drone footage. We're already at like 12 minutes, probably at least. At least. Guys, the line behind me, as you can see, look. It goes back that way. But everyone's trying to pull into here. But honestly, I don't know how many more spots they can basically fill up. I think it's getting full. But you can kind of see. It might be full. So I'm just curious to see like how many cars are out, like street cars are trying to get into the space here. But there's like, I think I heard them saying there's no more room. But y'all can see behind me, like all the cars that are wanting to get in. But here, I'll do a pan. See, it goes up and it keeps on going up. So, but I don't know. My gosh, guys, there's like so many more exotics coming, but I don't know where they're gonna park them. I mean, they're gonna have to like do something because they're all backed up over there, but I mean, hell, I'm still getting my content. Shoot, man, I'm still getting my content. These are the two new ones. But as you can see, the lineup, I'm gonna get them while they're right here. Man, where were these guys earlier? That way they didn't have to worry about traffic, you know? Because, man, well, they're rolling now. Maybe they'll have priority. SV. Old school. Old school. Alright guys, so it's getting kind of crazy. I already got a lot of ground footage and I'm going to try to go ahead and put the drone up so I can get a few minutes of that. The video is probably going to be at least, I guess, 20 minutes now. I didn't want it to be that long, but I mean, dude, you saw all the cars, so it is what it is.
Way too risky, way too fly, too pimpsy. Wait, don't miss me. Wait, not Honda, stay in your clash. I came through buying up, left out bags. I ain't too fond of the fakes. Grass ain't got no snakes. Everything trim, I'm sliding on days. Everything him, I'm trying to be great, but I fall back quick. Ride, pop off, go in, slide. Electric Tesla, moving silence, better get blessed up. I ain't impressed when you talk about what you gon' do, boy, you gon' have to back it. Really ain't doing no back and forth. Only thing I know is action. Right now. 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 Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Doing my thing, ducking the drugs. Flew out to Houston for white gold. go slugs. Cop a little something to put to the function. Old head said I got gumption. Oh yeah, and I got flavors. House on the hill, ain't hearing my neighbors. Heard I got rumors, wow, amazing. I mean, fresh salad with the crazies. No status, no patience. Keep the grass cut, landscaping. Yeah, I'm back up, no benches, let it stack up. No mentions, no halftime, ain't no timeout. Who next year, let me find out. On the corner like I left timeout. Everything gon' go, get it right now, right now.
Right now, right now, right now, right now,
right now,
right now, right now, right now.
Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Raise up. Raise up. Raise up. Way too risky, way too fly, too pimpsy. Wait, don't miss me. Wait, not high enough. Stay in your clash. I came through buying up, left out bags. I ain't too fond of the fakes. Grass ain't got no snakes. Everything trim, I'm sliding on days. Everything him, I'm trying to be great, but I fall back quick, quick, quick. Ride, pop off, go in, slide. Electric Tesla, moving silence, better get blessed up. I ain't impressed when you talk about what you gon' do, boy, you gon' have to back it. Really ain't doing no back and forth. Only thing I know is action. Right now.
Right now, right now, right now, right now,
right now,
right now, right now, right now.
Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Doing my thing, ducking the drugs. Flew out to Houston for white gold slugs. Cop a little something to put to the function. Old head said I got gumption. Oh yeah, and I got flavors. House on the hill, ain't hearing my neighbors. Heard I got rumors, wow, amazing. I mean, fresh salad with the crazies. No status, no patience. Keep the grass cut, landscaping. Yeah, I'm back up, no benches, let it stack up. No mentions, no halftime, ain't no timeout. Who next year, let me find out. On the corner like I left timeout. Everything gon' go, get it right now, right now.
Right now, right now, right now, right now,
right now,
right now, right now, right now.
Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Who is you? Who is you? What you gon' do? What you gon' do? Raise up. Raise up. Raise up.
All right, guys, so I'm pretty much leaving, and I spotted this on the way out, and it's like insane. So I just had to get this for basically like the last car of the of the video, and I know the video's gone like super long, but look at it, incredible. But yeah, guys, so as you can see right behind me, this thing is wild. Like, look at that. All right, guys, well, that was pretty much the video. I know it went longer than what I thought it was gonna go, but that's all right. We saw a bunch of bad street cars and exotics. But again, guys, I appreciate y'all for sticking around, watching the video. If y'all made it to this point, I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. Gonna still be bringing y'all as many stuff as I can. And this is Jared, aka the Rogue Vet here, coming out of San Antonio. All right, guys, until the next video, peace, guys.